trend. Let's take a look at what we are seeing right now. Those temperatures are going to be in the mid 60s, except for Paso reporting a 82-degree weather right now. Earlier it said 89, almost 90 degrees. But those temperatures, like I said, on a cooling trend. We do have a cold front moving into the area that will bring those cooler temperatures. And the winds, we're looking at 20 miles per hour for northwesterly winds in San Luis Obispo. Those are going to be something to watch. Those wind gusts could pick up in front of and behind this cold front that's moving into the area. And speaking of which, it will bring rain and potential thunderstorms. Here's that marine layer moving in Tuesday morning into the afternoon Wednesday. Here's a look at that system bringing rain to North San Luis Obispo County as early. We could see that possibly at noon in those areas Wednesday, and it'll move through the area. We're going to see the bulk of this rain, though, Wednesday into Thursday overnight. You can see it here moving through the area. And wind continuously throughout Thursday for majority of the Central Coast. It'll kind of wrap around here into Santa Barbara County, and it should dissipate by Friday. We could have another storm system, though, on the way. How much rain we can expect? Up to 0.5 of an inch of rain for the coast and the valleys, and up to an inch of rain for the mountains. But there is a potential for more in those higher elevations. We can't rule it out. Gusty winds also in the forecast, 35 to 50 miles per hour in those higher elevations. The foothills in the mountains, that's going to be something to look out for. No advisories in place, but KCY Weather app will have all of that forecast for you. And the National Weather Service says that it is unusual for this time of year to see these wet and cold conditions. The long-range outlook shows that these winds are going to be picking up, like I said, Thursday into Thursday night in front of and behind of that storm. You can see it here. It will start to kind of dissipate into the weekend, but early next week, we could have another potential for rain, if you can believe it, in May. But this storm looks to be a little bit weaker than what we could see Wednesday and Thursday. A look at your forecast going into Tuesday. Those temperatures, like I said, are on a cooling trend. They're still going to be clinging on to those 70 and 80 degrees. The coastal valleys are going to be coming off of the 70 degrees. The interior valleys, Paso Robles, 82 degrees. As we move to the Santa Ynez Valley, here we have Carpinteria high of 66 degrees, Goleta and Solvang still in the 70s. As we move over to the 5 cities area, we see that Nipomo has a high of 69 degrees, Shandon in the interior, high of 77. Over to the north coast, those temperatures coming off of the low to mid 60s. As we see the 5-day forecast, that extended forecast, we do have the cloudy conditions Wednesday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And some of those North County areas will see rain on Wednesday. Thursday will bring the winds and the rains. Again, Paso, look at that temperature difference. 82 degrees on Tuesday, 68 on Wednesday. And you can see here that it is reporting that there will be some rain Wednesday afternoon into the night. Thursday, definitely will see some rain in most of the Central Coast area, and then it should start to dissipate into your weekend.